How to say
Café au lait.
in French. You say
Un café au lait.
It's coffee with hot milk. It's often served in a bowl at breakfast in French cafes.
Let's hear it again.
Un café au lait. Un café au lait. Un café au lait.
Now you try. Repeat after me.
Un café au lait. Un café au lait.
One more time.
Un café au lait.